welcome Mr. Phil Slackerstein-Saperstein to entertain you with Phil's favorite movie moments.
Yeah!
So, I probably haven't mentioned this before, but I spent a few years in acting school where I exceeded in elocution, pronunciation, and in talking really loudly in front of large groups. So I thought I'd share with you some of my favorite movie, actually Shakespeare moments. We're going to start out with the reading from Hamlet.
Yeah.
I think the role of Hamlet is best read while seated in the chair. I'm going to do it that way. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer without raising fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles, and by opposing end them. No more, and by asleep to say we end the heartache and the thousand natural shocks that flesh is heir to, if 'tis of consolation devoutly to be wish it, to die, to sleep, to chance to dream, aye, there's the rub. In that sleep of death, what dreams may come when we have shuffled off this mortal coil. Sweet love. Must give us pause. There's the respect that makes calamity of so long life.
Woo! Yeah, Phil!
For my second reading, I will have to be standing up. Because right now, I am in Braveheart. I am inspiring the troops. Aye, fight and you may die. And you'll live, at least a while, and while dying, you may all of that for this day to that for one chance, just one chance to come back to it. Because they may take away our lives, but they'll never take back our freedom. I'd love to move to one of my favorite films. Apocalypse Now. And share with you the scene. I hope you all remember it well. You smell that. You smell that. Son, nothing else in the world smells like that. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. One time we had a hill bomb for 12 hours. When it was all over, I walked up. We didn't find one of them. Not one stinking body. The smell, you know, that gasoline smell, the whole hill, it smelled like victory. For my third or fourth reading, I will need one other question over there, and then Charlie.
Colonel Jessup, did you order the code red?
You don't have to answer that question.
I'll answer the question.
I think I'm entitled to them. I want the truth.
You can't handle the truth. Last one. Take your stinking paws off me, you damn 38.
All right.
I'll take one encore request from the audience.
I got one.
Go ahead.
300.
Oh, good film. This is Sparta.
Some comments from our judges. Judges?
Dog. My dog. I'm with you all the way, then. All the way.
Paula?
I'm staying in the Hotel Argo, room 5.
I'm very sorry to say, but the last time I checked, Hamlet was not a movie moment. This little guy called Billy Shakespeare. Okay, we all have to thank for that. Also, being yourself in a talent show, not a talent. Simon?
I disagree. Now that was acting.
All right, let's